carrot cake like that. You haven't seen it yet. Do it and surprise everyone. In a blender, add 1 carrot and a half of chopped, a total of 200 grams, 3 eggs, 3/4 cup oil. The cup I'm using has 240 ml. Now just cover and let it heat very well. As soon as you knock, move everything into a container. Then add 1 cup and a half of sugar and stir until dissolved completely. Add 1 cup and a half of wet flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and stir again. With the dough ready, pass everything to a greased form with flour and butter. After passing the dough into shape, bake at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, melt 250 grams of dark chocolate and divide this chocolate into several disposable cups. Repeat the process with all the cups. Turn them upside down and refrigerate just to harden. When firm, repeat the process again. In this recipe, I used only 5 glasses, but you can make the amount you want. Here I'm snapping the cake completely. And with the chocolate already firm, start assembling. The first layer you put some cake, then the filling. Here I'm using hazelnut cream, but you can stuff with chocolate. Done all this process, you will stick a popsicle stick in the middle and cover with some melted chocolate. Done with all the cups. Refrigerate just to harden and it's ready. And look how amazing that carrot cake in the glass. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.